Demystifying the alternator, your car's powerhouse. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of automotive mechanics to answer a fundamental question: what is an alternator? If you've ever wondered how your car generates the electricity it needs to run, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about this essential component of your vehicle in a simple and friendly way. The alternator is a key part of your car's charging system. It functions as a generator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. While your car's battery provides some electricity, most of the electrical devices in the vehicle rely on the steady stream of power supplied by this device. What makes the alternator special is its ability to generate alternating current instead of direct current, which gives it its name. It's primarily a mechanical device that includes a pulley, wheels, brushes, and wires. It's connected to the engine's crankshaft and runs to the battery. So, when your car's engine turns the crankshaft, which is connected to the alternator, it converts the motion into current whenever the car is running. The resulting electricity powers the cooling fan, headlights, windshield wipers, radio, defogger, and air conditioning. To be more specific, this component is highly efficient at producing a constant, high voltage, even when the car is idling, thanks to how it works. The belt from the crankshaft is connected to a pulley system called the rotor, so when the belt turns, it moves magnets across a special surface called a conductor. Moving magnets in the stator generate an electrostatic field, which is, in essence, electricity. This alternating current is regulated by a voltage regulator to keep it constant. Another part, called diodes, converts the alternating current into direct current that flows to the battery and other components. Even if an alternator fails or malfunctions, the car will continue to run for a while directly off the battery, but it will eventually deplete its power. This can make it difficult to detect when the device is having problems. Sometimes, unusual noises or intermittent headlights can be a giveaway. Drivers should ensure that the belts are not cracked or improperly tightened before replacing the entire part. A rebuilt alternator can be a reliable and more cost-effective option if it needs to be repaired. And there you have it, a comprehensive explanation of what an alternator is and how it functions in your car. We hope this video has been helpful to you and that you've learned something new. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on automobiles and mechanics. Also, leave your comments and questions below. See you in the next video.